Okay. Okay.
Step is to prepare the ingredients to make pudding. Take some tea powder and some sugar and put them inside the brewer.
It sounds. How long we have to do that? 10 minutes? No? 5 minutes? Okay. 3 or? Oh, light brown. Okay. Oh, that's beautiful, light brown. Still not yet? No, okay. Done? Okay.
After the
Be careful, Abian. Yeah, I think that's too much. Just take the little one. Okay.
pour the inside. And now we're going to
Oh, okay. That's what it's called?
pudding.
Full tea. Okay. Okay. And then? Looks so good. Okay. What is that? Full tea and? Okay, good job everyone.